Hello everybody, welcome to Crypto Breakdown, and in this video I'll be talking about REEF. Is it dead or is it about to become alive? Let's see. So when it first released, it came out, let me see when it came out. It hasn't been out for long. REEF, where is it? That's not the one. So it's been out since the 12th, so January 2020. So 1.5 years, I think, or 1 year, something like that. January 2020. Wait. January. No. Sorry, not January. It was December 2020. So it's only been like 8 months, hasn't it? 8-9 months, or 10 months actually. It's the end of it came out. Yeah. So it's been like 10 months. So it's not been out for long. So what happened with REEF in the beginning? So when it came out, we had that initial bull phase where Bitcoin went from 10k to 60k, and that was back in December. Yeah, so back in December last year, Bitcoin started to move up, and we had REEF come out. Forget about this. This one. This was just when it listed on Binance. When things list on Binance, they just go boom, fast up and fast down again. People just go crazy for a couple of minutes. Yeah, I feel sorry for those guys who bought out there up there, you know. But yeah, they shouldn't have bought it up there, fucking idiots. So what happened? REEF hovered around 0.06, and then during the January phase when Bitcoin was going up, it went up 700%. Where was I, man? It went up 700% to 0.05, and it was hovering around that, and it was trying to break this. So it did this. Let me find the. Where's that pen? There was a pen here. No, this is going to take like 2 minutes, isn't it? Please don't leave. I'll find it. Pen. I need a pen. There it is. I'll use this brush. Alright, so it went. So it did like the smaller ones here, and then it did another massive pump here, but it couldn't really break like this area, the 0.055 area. You see, this is one of the biggest resistances it has. And then what happened? We had that crash during the I don't know which month was it, March or April? April crash, where Bitcoin came down from 60k, and it brought down everything and the world with it all the way down to 0.011. So if you guys haven't bought here, yeah, you're gonna miss out on some crazy shit. So what's gonna happen now? We are testing this resistance or trend line, trend line, which is keeping us below it. So we had the initial one, we came up, but we retested this trend line here. We couldn't break out. What happened? We had like an insane dump straight afterwards. So it came down 40%. Fucking hell. Not people in the stock market make 40% in like you don't get that in the stock market in a year. 40% moves, man. What the fuck? So it came down 40%, and then it went up a bit, and it came down even more. So overall, it came down 46%. Now what it's doing is trying to retest this trend line, which I'm keeping a close eye on, because if we do that breakout, you're looking at some big gains. But it all depends on the how strong the breakout is. Now let's get some fibs open from up here to down very bottom. I'm doing on the daily, by the way. So if we do get that breakout over here, I'm looking at a test at the golden pocket, no, the 0.618 level, which is at around 4p, say. So we're looking at a 80% move to the upside if we do get the breakout over here. And I doubt it was going to go any lower than this. This is like the bottom, So as I said, if you guys haven't been buying here, good luck. Don't cry when we're in the moon. I've been buying REEF. a lot of it actually. So yeah, I'm not going to tell you how much. You find out. So when we get that move to the upside, so we're going to test this, most likely, and then the other test is, so as I said before, we had that um, the rectangle that resistance here on the 0.55 level. So what my thought is, we are gonna go something like this. Go, not this one, hold on. So brush, go like that, come down a bit, and then we go test this again on this level. So, and then we might, if we do break this, remember this is what was holding REEF down during the January February time when Bitcoin was going up to 60k. If we do break that, we either are gonna go like shoot up, we don't care about anything, we just keep going up. We could go even like 20-30 cents very fast, or we test this like very quickly, come down a bit, and we go boom to like 30-40p, even higher. You don't know, but it all depends on Bitcoin. But this is as I said, there's a couple of things holding it down. The So we got this main trend line that we have to break, test these levels, and then once we get to this level at 0.55, we have to break the previous resistance around here, and then we're gonna go to the moon. You know what I mean? To the moon, not Mars, but the moon. And yeah, so these areas you should be really buying. Like, I'd say out of all the assets there are, REEF is probably one of the best. um, I wouldn't say it's risk free, but it's the best where if things go down, this is not really going to go down any lower. There's so much buying support here, and these areas were just a bargain. Like if you bought at 0.11, so you can make some serious gains if it does go back up to 30 cents or 20 cents. That's like what? That's a 10x. 30 is like 20x. And and things could like you don't know, in crypto things can go crazy. It can go like 50, 60, $1. Yeah, people who are saying $1, I believe them, and we're going reef $1, $1 to the moon. You know what I mean? Right. So that's my thoughts on reef. We got a couple of obstacles ahead, but if we do break them, we got good news coming up in January, as in Q4, like really good updates. So if those happen, you don't know what can happen. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and if you have any comments, just put them in the chat and I'll have a look. All right, bye.